Students, today's session discuss IUPAC apply with the functional group of alcohol. Yesterday discuss before class discuss alcohol type of the functional group, three functional group and lowest D to highest D, how to the IUPAC name, and discuss an aromatic type and aliphatic type of alkyl group, discuss methyl, ethyl, the increasing of the chain, propyl, butyl, pentyl, the name is called R group, and phenyl is the before session discuss. And alcohol, the remember that alcohol IUPAC name is suffix OL, the bond OH short form, and the depth structure bond form. And another one name hydroxyl group, hydrogen with oxygen, hydrogen oxyl group, hydroxyl group. And next aldehyde, IUPAC name used suffix AL, short functional bond CHO, and expand structure bond, carbon bond order 4 1 2 3 4, oxygen bond order 2 1 2, hydrogen bond order 1. So carbon, hydrogen with oxygen, so oxygen use suffix of IUPAC common name 8, carbohydrate. And acid IUPAC name used the suffix oic, and short IUPAC structure bond COOH, expand structure, and carboxylic acid, another one name. So ether, so the type of alkyl group is increased, so methane, ethane, propane, butane. So one hydrogen removed is called functional group. So methane, one hydrogen removed, methane IUPAC molecular formula CH4, one hydrogen removed, methyl functional group. Ethane removed, ethyl functional group. Propane, one hydrogen removed, propyl functional group. Butane, one hydrogen removed, butyl functional group. Pentane, one hydrogen removed, pentyl functional group is called the open chain compound alkyl group. An aryl group is a C6H5 is a closed chain of phenyl functional group. So open chain is called aliphatic nature, is closed chain is a aromatic nature. So open chain is easily charred and the closed chain is the oily nature. So the based of alkyl group and two functional group basic concept. So or alkyl group, so common used carbon to carbon center oxygen present is called ether functional group, and carbon bond with the oxygen present is the center of R group, center of left side and right side, center of carbon, and bonded with the oxygen group is a carbonyl group, is functional group name ketone, IUPAC name is 1. So now session discuss IUPAC of alcohol. So IUPAC of alcohol, so any one alkyl group present and a one primary alcohol, so alcohol group is one time. So such as R group like that, methyl, ethyl, propyl and phenyl etc. So first one alcohol functional group, so and one methyl group CH, so this is a CH4, the short form. This hydrogen is removed is a CH3 methyl group. So methyl group also here, that bond with bind with that bond electron, so OH bond is bonded methyl alcohol. So methyl, one carbon meth, OH full name is IUPAC alcohol. So IUPAC used to the one carbon meth and alcohol OL. So methanol is a IUPAC name, and one methanol or methanol is a IUPAC name. Next ethyl group, so already discussed. So ethane, ethane. So every carbon atom, short form CH3 bond CH3. So one hydrogen removed, CH2 bond CH3. So short form, another short form, one hydrogen removed, CH2 bond CH3. So short form C2H5. So reverse, CH3 bond CH2. This is a 2 carbon ethyl group. This is a 2 carbon and CH3 CH2 2 carbon present, so ethyl group. And OH is the same like that alcohol, so ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name ethanol. So this is a sprit, ethyl alcohol, laboratory sprit. And methanol may be most of uses of medicinal cough syrup and etc. Vicks, Halls, and more like that the medicinal product. And next ethanol is the laboratory spirit and further medicinal uses. And next propyl functional group bond C3H7 is a short molecular formula. So C3H8 is a propane, one hydrogen removed, propyl functional group. Propyl, C3 3 time of carbon present is a propyl functional group. I will use it to alkyl group and one alcohol group. So the propyl group expand. So 3 carbon present. First of all you will be write 3 carbon and last first carbon mentioned only one CH3. Other chain is increased, CH2 increase. So something like that, CH2 increase 4 carbon. So butyl functional group. Another one CH2 increase 5 carbon, so pentyl group. Another one CH2 increase is the hexyl group. So this is a propyl group. CH, the reverse, the bond like attached with the alcohol group. So CH3 CH2 CH2 bond with the alcohol. So first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So primary alcohol. 3 carbon propyl group and alcohol. So 3 carbon 1 2 3 3 carbon propyl, 3 carbon propyl, that's alcohol group, alcohol. So first carbon attach 1, so 3 carbon prop and all 1 propanol. That alcohol group. And the second possibilities of attack with the center carbon atom, that hydrogen remove that carbon atom. So expand structure that here follow that. So CH3 CH2 CH2 is a propyl group. This is a alcohol attach. But the second possibilities of here, CH3 same CH expand structure and CH bond here also bond OH, here also H. This is a CH2. This is a expand bond structure. Here also say the remaining carbon, hydrogen. So properly CH3 here, CH2, next CH2 and OH. This is a OH group, this is a CH2 group, this is a CH2 group, this is a CH3 group. That the hydrogen will be this attack of that carbon, that alcohol group attach of that carbon. So on hydrogen attach the position CH3 same, this position CH3 same, this position the hydrogen atom only remaining same, that OH group is attached of that carbon. and that hydrogen attach of third carbon alcohol group position, so remaining same of hydrogen that position one hydrogen, so this is a CH3. So short form CH3 bond, short one CH and bond OH CH3. This is a CH3 CH bond OH CH3 3 carbon group. The bond intersection positions of alcohol group, common name used to iso, common name used of iso. The open chain, the cross linked of any functional group used as iso. And next 3 carbon propyl alcohol, this is a propyl alcohol, straight chain. This is a intermediate intersectional position of alcohol, center of the carbon atom attached, so used of isopropyl alcohol. So IUPAC name first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So second carbon alcohol present, second 3 carbon prop and alcohol 2 propanol. So this is a now very important all world of used in the hand sanitizer. There's only isopropyl alcohol, so very important is a 2 propanol. So most of hand sanitizer 1 propanol and 2 propanol uses, but that alcohol hand sanitizer will be the used after 1 hour or after half an hour. Do not any food intake of the yourself. So more dangerous of the microorganism and living microorganism inside of human body system. So good microorganism may be good honorable microorganism, example lactobacillus bacteria, and most like that is of presence of human body. You will be intake of the hand sanitizer, you will be the first users before and after within a second you will be eat any one type of food. The hand sanitizer intake our inside of human bodies is also liver functions, is attack of the good honor work of bacteria and most microorganism is destroyed. So and skin problems is also more etc. So you will be the safe before use of the hand sanitizer is the outer travel, long travel, anyone shopping, you will be outgoing process, outgoing anything collecting process, example like that marketing, you will be used of the hand sanitizer and do not touch with the food items. So very important is the isopropyl alcohol, that alcohol easily reside in the microorganism, so very important. So all are mostly we all are used in the every home, mostly parent used is the hand sanitizer, so do not perfectly used. So very important, students inform that isopropyl alcohol or 1 propanol 2 propanol, this is a hand sanitizer present, that alcohol do not directly enter with your hands and wash, and next you will be the food eaten and perfectly hand wash, very important. Same like that the soap, you will be the soap hand wash after 15 minutes is the normal water you will be wash, and you will be the take like that the food dinner any like that. So next you will be discuss butyl functional group. The CH2 chain increase is a butyl functional group and alcohol, and the 1 2 3 4 the reverse will be the right butyl 4 carbon butyl 1 2 3 4 4 carbon butyl alcohol. So first carbon presents 1 butanol, first carbon present 1 butanol. The next will be the short form, this is the common short form. The CH2 group is remainder, so example CH3 same like that So CH2 group how many times? 1 2 3 times is the whole bracket, is the bond is inner side, how many times? 3 times, and OH. So total 3 into 1 3 carbon plus 1 carbon 4 carbon in the short form in your book, upcoming 11th standard book. You are expand form and like that the IUPAC name. Imagine the most organic compound, very short structure in your book, so very important. Next class deeply discuss of other type of alcohol. Thank you to all.